What's up, guys? Long time no see. Haven't made a video in a while, been pretty busy. But today we're going to try to fix my passenger side door lock. It's never locked since I've got it. Keep that under wraps. And we're going to try to fix it today because I've been too lazy to do so. So stick around. Sorry it's so dark. A couple of bulbs have gone out and I've not been able to go get any. They're specialized bulbs and I just haven't found them. So we're going to take the door panel off. First you have two down here, one here, and then one over here. We're going to take them off and see what we can find out. Alright, so to take these off of your door mechanism and your lock, you have these, which simply click over, pull them off and over, and push it out. And they're off. Alright, so the bottom one is your door latch. The top one is the door lock. And it's locking just fine. So we got to figure out why the actual button is not allowing me to lock it. The mechanism's fine. So the mechanism moves freely. So lock would push the mechanism back, and unlock would push it forward. So that's locked. And it's pushed forward. Unlock. Back. Or vice versa, whichever. I'm pushing forward to the locking mechanism on the door. So the mechanism going backwards locks. Backwards towards, forwards towards the locking mechanism on the door. So I believe what happens is over time, you know, these get bent up and don't allow you to lock anymore. So I'm going to take a pair of pliers. Let's see if I can straighten it out. So we'll see how it goes, but I did straighten up this curve just a little bit. It goes into the door. Straighten it up just a little bit. Straightened up this a little bit, and it did give it some distance. So hopefully that'll do something, because it locks pretty dang easy. So let's put the door panel on and see what happens. Here we go. I'm just hooking up the locking mechanism right now to see if it's gonna work. I feel like it is going to work. Let's put it together and see what happens. I'm gonna put a few screws in, that's about it. I'm not gonna put them all in. I want it to sit like it's going to sit. It's the wrong screw. For those of you who are saying, oh, he's using an impact. Well, don't be an idiot with your impact, and you'll be just fine. That's it. It's locking. It's unlocking. That's all she wrote. I'm gonna go ahead and put all the other screws in then. There it is. Now let's see if it locks. Locked. Nice. All right, so it is working. We'll see how long it works for. If so, we know what the deal is. Now, does it lock with the door lock is what I want to know. So it's unlocked, locked. It works. Cool. Another infamous XJ fix. Alright guys, so that was extremely fast. It was so fast, let's do a recap. So what the issue was is the locking button on the passenger side door was not locking. Straighten out the rod on the inside of the door, and that was the fix. So I guess over time, from being locked and unlocked so much, the rod does get a little flimsy, it bends. Straighten up that rod just a little bit. What I did is I took the arch that goes into the lock, into the door, straighten that out a little bit, straighten out the little curve, and you're good. Call it a day. Now all 4 doors locked, thank God. Thanks for watching this quick video, guys, and we'll see you next time.